Hello everyone. Welcome to Wordscience. Today, we are going to learn about a very useful English word. The word is absorb. Are you ready? Let's begin this exciting journey together. So, what does absorb mean? Absorb means to take in or soak up something. For example, when a sponge soaks up water, it absorbs the water. When plants take in sunlight, they absorb sunlight. It's simple. Let's see absorb in real life. When you drink water, your body absorbs it. The water goes inside your body and helps you stay healthy and strong. Absorbing water is very important for everyone. Listen to this conversation. Sarah says, "I'm so thirsty." Tom replies, "Drink some water. Your body will absorb it quickly." Sarah drinks and says, "I feel better now." This is how we use absorb in daily talk. Now, let's talk about plants. Plants need sunlight to grow. They absorb sunlight through their leaves. Without sunlight, plants cannot make food. Absorbing sunlight helps them stay green and healthy. Here's another conversation. A child asks, "Mom, why do plants need sunlight?" Mom answers, "Because plants absorb sunlight to make their food." The child says, "Oh, I understand now." Learning is fun, right? What about clothes? When it rains and your clothes get wet, they absorb water. The water goes into the fabric. That's why wet clothes feel heavy. They have absorbed a lot of water. Listen to this. Emma says, "Oh no, my shirt is all wet." Her friend replies, "Yes, it absorbed the rainwater. You should change it." Emma says, "You're right. I'll change now." Simple conversation, easy English. Did you know? We can also absorb information and ideas. When you read a book or listen to your teacher, your brain absorbs new knowledge. Learning means absorbing new things every day. Here's a conversation at school. A teacher asks, "Did you absorb what I taught today?" The student replies, "Yes, teacher. I absorbed everything. It was very interesting." The teacher smiles and says, "Wonderful. Keep learning." Now, let's enjoy a short story. This story will help you understand absorb even better. The story is called A Little Sponge's Big Adventure. Get ready for story time with Wordscience. Meet Sponge Sam. Sponge Sam is a little yellow sponge. He lives near a beautiful pond. Sponge Sam loves to absorb water. It makes him feel soft and happy. He is a very friendly sponge. One day, it started to rain. Sponge Sam was so excited. He jumped into the rain and absorbed all the water. He became bigger and bigger. "I love absorbing rainwater," said Sponge Sam happily. While playing, Sponge Sam met Sunny Leaf. Sunny Leaf was sitting on a tree branch. "Hello, Sponge Sam," said Sunny Leaf. "I absorb sunlight to grow strong and green." "What do you absorb?" Sponge Sam replied, "I absorb water." Sponge Sam wanted to learn more. He went to school with his friends. The teacher was explaining new things. Sponge Sam listened carefully. "I'm absorbing so many new ideas today," he thought. Learning made him very happy. After school, Sponge Sam saw his friend Bunny crying. Bunny had spilled juice on the floor. "Don't worry," said Sponge Sam. He quickly absorbed all the juice. "Thank you, Sponge Sam. You are so helpful," said Bunny. Sponge Sam felt very proud. He had helped his friend by absorbing the spilled juice. "Absorbing is my special talent," he said with a big smile. "I can absorb water, and I can help others too." And that's the end of our story. What did we learn? Absorb means to take in or soak up. We can absorb water, sunlight, liquids, and even ideas. Absorb is a wonderful word. Let's review the different meanings. First, we absorb water like a sponge. Second, plants absorb sunlight. Third, clothes absorb liquids. Fourth, our brains absorb knowledge and ideas. So many ways to use absorb. Look at this example. Before absorbing, the sponge is dry and small. After absorbing water, the sponge is wet and big. Can you see the difference? Absorbing changes things. Let's practice using absorb in sentences. The towel absorbs water. Leaves absorb sunlight. I absorb new words when I read. These are simple sentences you can use every day. Now, try making your own sentences. Ask yourself, what can you absorb? How does a sponge absorb water? Can you absorb new ideas at school? Practice speaking English with these questions. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that camels can absorb and store water in their bodies? This helps them survive in the hot desert for many days. Nature is amazing. In science, absorb is very important. When paper towels absorb water or when leaves absorb light energy, it's all about taking in something. Science uses the word absorb a lot. We see absorb in our daily life everywhere. Sponges absorb water when we clean. Clothes absorb sweat. Plants absorb sunlight. People absorb information. It's all around us. Quiz time. Which of these things can absorb water? A sponge? Plastic? Glass? Or cloth? Think carefully. The answer is sponge and cloth. They both absorb water very well. Let's review one more time. Absorb means to take in or soak up. Remember this simple meaning. You can use it when talking about water, light, or learning. It's easy. Practice makes perfect. Try to use the word absorb every day. When you drink water, say, my body absorbs water. When you learn something new, say, I absorbed new knowledge today. Keep practicing. Thank you so much for learning with Wordscience today. I hope you enjoyed learning about the word absorb. Remember, learning English can be fun and easy. Keep watching and keep learning. Don't forget to subscribe to Wordscience for more fun and easy English lessons. We have many more words to explore together. Click the subscribe button and join our learning family. See you next time. Keep absorbing new words and new ideas every day. Goodbye and happy learning from Wordscience. Stay curious and keep growing.